Homeaglow advertises cheap house cleaning with a low price voucher like $19 for your first clean. But most customers on independent review sites report a very different experience. Trustpilot sits around about 1.3 stars out of 5 with dozens of reviewers saying people were signed up for a monthly membership they didn't clearly agree to, charge recurring fees, and hit with hefty cancellation or early termination penalties. Many reviewers also describe difficulty reaching human support and missed or poor quality cleanings. Complaints online, including on Reddit, paint a consistent picture. The promotional price often leads into a long-term subscription around $49 to $59 per month buried in fine print, and customers struggle to cancel or avoid unexpected charges. Some say cleaners are late, underprepared, or leave jobs incomplete, and communication is often slow or non existent. The business does connect you to cleaners and isn't illegal. But the hidden subscription model, billing traps, and poor support make it much more trouble than it's worth for most people. These ones leave it unless your priority is minimal risk and transparent pricing.